What up guys? So today I want to show you how to get this neutral glam makeup look. Let's get into it. First off, lip balm. I'm going to put the name down below of the lip balm to moisturize the lips, make them nice and soft. Next, Benefit Pore Professional Primer. Love it. Huda Beauty Foundation 430N, looks like that. And then dot it all over your face. Get a brush and start blending. Blend it. Blend, blend, and blend. Next up, top face concealer. Mine got broken, that's why it's looking like that. Apply it under your eyes, and then forehead, and then get a Mercier powder. Looks like that. Beauty blender to blend, 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 and more blending. And then I realized that I need a little bit more, a little bit concealer, kidogo too, just to conceal under the eye. Then get this brush in the powder and set it. Then this to the eye, blending as well. Studio Fix powder, get into it, and then put it all over your face. Blend, blend, blend. My favorite bronzer. Bring some warmth into the face. Look like a bronzed goddess. So bronzing, and then get some powder with your brush, and you're gonna chisel out those cheekbones. Put a line under that contour line, another line. Then eyebrows, I already have a tutorial, check it out. We're gonna go with this MAC eyeshadow. We're gonna use that shade, apply it on the eyelid, then take a brush like this, and then you blend it. Just blend, blend, blend. It's all about blending, guys. The next eye, same thing, just blending. Going to go with the mascara. Just put the mascara in your eyes and make such a big difference in the whole eye look. Some iconic lashes from House of Lashes. They look like that. They make a big difference into your eyes. I have a tutorial on eyelashes as well. Get a brush, your brush, and brush off the excess powder from your face. Get rid of it, and now it's highlighter time. This is a Nikki Tutorials and Ofra highlighter. I don't know if it's still available. I'm using that shade there, and it's a beautiful shade, and it's blinding. Can you see how it glows nicely? Gives a nice glow to the face. I just love it so much. The next eye, the next cheek, can you see that glow, guys? And then a small brush from Susie Beauty, the same shade as well. Go to the bridge of the nose and pop it there. Then tap off the excess, put some on the brow bone on that eye, and we're gonna move on to the next eye as well. Do the same thing. Then now we're going to put some nice and glowing. Yes, we can see that we like that as well. At the tip of the nose, and also the Cupid's bow, wiping off the excess lip balm. Put it on the Cupid's bow, and then a small brush, the same shade. We're going to go to the tip of the nose now. Gonna put some of it in the tip of the nose and blend it, and to give us that overall nice glowing effect. Next up, we're gonna go to the lips. Those of colors lipstick in the shade Cock. I just love it. Anyway, just a gorgeous yummy brown shade. I just love it so much. Lining up the lips, and then at the top lip as well. Not the finished lip look, guys. The lips are nice and laid, and I love the overall look. And we are done with the look, guys. Looks nice. I love it. Skidnavia setting spray. If you have an oily face, this works perfectly. We are going to bathe, literally bathing in that setting spray all over our face. When you're done, we're going to look for a piece of paper which is lying nearby, and you're going to fan it out to dry up the setting spray. And that is the finished look, guys. It's a nice copper or brown makeup look, and I love the way it turned out. I'm happy with the overall look. And if you want to see more eye looks from me, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.